Now let us choose any two rational numbers. Suppose I am selecting minus 1 by 3 and minus 6 by 8. Okay, how can these two rational numbers can be multiplied? See, for the signs you should always remember that whenever a minus rational number, when it is multiplied with another minus rational number, the resultant will be always a positive rational number. And also whenever a minus rational number, when it is multiplied with a positive rational number, the resultant will always be a negative rational number. And also remember that whenever a positive rational number, again if it is multiplied with a negative rational number, the resultant will also be again a negative rational number. And whenever a positive number, whenever it is multiplied with another positive number, the resultant will always be a positive number. Okay, so just the technique is whenever two numbers have the same sign, the resultant will always be a positive whenever they are multiplied. And if the two numbers sign is different and whenever they are multiplied, the resultant will always be a negative number. Okay, so you should always remember this result. Okay, so here let us multiply these two rational numbers. So first what we have to do, the multiplication of rational numbers is very simple. You just have to multiply the numerators initially and the denominators the next place. So first minus 1 into minus 6 divided by 3 into 8. So minus 1 into minus 6, it is a plus 6 divided by 3 into 8, which is 24. Okay, so this is your resultant rational number. This rational number can also be reduced. 6 ones are 6 4s are 24. So the resultant value is 1 by 4. So the multiplication of minus 1 by 3 with minus 6 by 8 is 1 by 4. Now calculate what will be the value when minus 6 by 5 when it is multiplied with 5 by 3. First step, you need to just multiply the numerators and you need to just multiply the denominators. The resultant will be minus 6 into 5 minus into plus will be minus 6 5s are 30 divided by 5 3s are 50. Okay, now reduce this rational number. 15 was a 15 2s are minus 2. Is minus 2 a rational number or not? Yes, this minus 2 is an integer which is a subset of rational numbers. Okay, so always remember all these numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers, integers will all come under the rational numbers. Why? Because all are of the form of p by q, but q is always 1 in the case of integers or natural numbers or whole numbers. Okay, so this is all about the multiplication of rational numbers. Now let us discuss the division of rational numbers.